you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove arrows from desktop shortcut icons on Windows 10 and 11. And for this, first of all, we go to search and search for registry key, and then we do yes. Then go to H key local machine. Then we go to software. Then we go to Microsoft. Then we go to Windows. Current version. Explorer, and then on Explorer we do right mouse click, new, and then key. We call this key shell icons with a caps S, caps I, and then a space between it, enter. Then when we created this, we click on right mouse click, new string value, and we call this 29. Then we double click on this and then copy paste the next sentence right here. I will put this also in my description, and after this we click on OK. And then right now when we click this away, you see that we still have the arrow right here on our desktop shortcut. But what if we do the next thing? We go to Task Manager, enter. And then right now we need to search for Windows. So we click on W, right there is Windows, select it, and then we do restart task. Right now we remove this place and the arrow is gone. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao.